In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious jerk chicken. For the marinade, you need 4 stalks of green onions sliced, 2 jalapeno peppers, seeds removed and diced, 8 cloves of garlic, minced, 4 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 4 teaspoons of allspice, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and lastly, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now just mix everything together till it's well combined. Next, it's time to add all your pieces of chicken to the marinade. I use drumsticks, but you can use thighs, wings, or even slather this on a whole chicken. Then you just want to take it and mix it so that every piece of chicken is coated with the marinade. Now take the chicken and you want to add all the pieces to a Ziploc bag. Pour the remaining marinade over the chicken, and before you seal the bag, make sure you get all of the air out and just give it a little massage. Make sure all that marinade is coating the chicken. I marinated my chicken overnight, but if you're pressed for time, I would do it for at least 2 hours. So this is my chicken the next day. I'm going to leave it out for at least 30 minutes, let it come up to room temperature, and then I'm going to start cooking it. So now it's time to prep our baking sheet. I'm going to line mine with foil. If you like, you can cook it right on top of the baking sheet, but I'm all about easy cleanup, so I'm going to line mine with foil. And next, I'm just going to take some cooking spray and spray the foil so that the chicken doesn't stick. Now I'm just going to line the chicken up on the baking sheet, make sure they have enough space so that they're not laying on top of each other. And now it's time to put it in the oven. The oven has been preheated to 350 degrees, and I cooked the chicken for 55 minutes. I know I could have just cooked it for an hour, but 55 minutes is how long I cooked this chicken. So 55 minutes, and now this is what the chicken looks like, but I really wanted that char on it, so I set the broiler on and I broiled the chicken for a couple of minutes. I don't know how fast your chicken is going to broil, so I would say just watch it to make sure it doesn't burn, because you can walk away and burn your chicken. So I broiled it on one side, and then now I'm flipping it over and I'm going to broil it on the other side. And now this is the end result. I think this chicken came out beautifully and it was delicious. I just garnished it with a little bit of green onion, served it with rice and peas and cabbage, and it made the perfect dinner.